Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ramesh. In this video, I will show you how to install latest Eclipse IDE in Windows operating system. We have one prerequisite for Eclipse IDE installation, that is Java JDK. You should have installed Java JDK in your system. I have in, I have already installed Java JDK 17 in my system. To check that, you just go to command prompt, type cmd and go to command prompt. Here type java space hyphen version. You can see that uh, Java JDK already installed. Now we are going to install Eclipse. For that, open browser and type Eclipse download. In the search result, you click Eclipse download links. Here you can see the latest version of Eclipse IDE. Click that button. Now again click the download button. Now the download getting started. I have already downloaded this file, so I'll pause this and close it. Just I'm going to the installable file location and double click it. The Eclipse installer will start. Now you can see some warning message in Eclipse installer. To remove this, you just click update link. Now that Eclipse installer is updating, just come down and accept it. It will take some time to update the installer. Once it updated, it will restart. Now it is restarting that installer. After restarting it, that warning message has gone. Now click Eclipse for Java developers. Now you can see the just expand it. Now you can see the latest version of IDE and JDK path here. See, this path is already, JDK is already installed, so the installer automatically picks up that JDK. Now click install button. Now installation is started. Just click that user agreement, accept it. Installation is started. Once completed, you just click launch button. Now it's asking that workspace folder. Just click yes. Now you can see the welcome screen. Now you can go and check the version of that Eclipse about help. You can see the latest version of the Eclipse. Now that Eclipse is successfully installed in your system. Thank you. Thanks for watching.